Umentri ketra transport kejela uba senyau bahalang dhar menta kasngi ulapli ya keling sun kabanyat bet na Delhi shishlong kum kejing play ya kene kejing shakri umentri ulwan menta kasngi da keling sun na Delhi hadu umroy kasorkar Meghalaya kalaitia soskular barga company flyback ban penher ya keling sun na Delhi Shillong bat Shillong cha Delhi habakran ha kejing lang keblengkot ha kat ling sun jong ka umroy ubas nyau ba lang dhar ulong ba kene ke jingyo ke jela ya ke jing shakri ling ba ke te kat ling sun kan long ka bansa khana namar kala dei ke jing sang ka blaslem na ki nong song snong ke jela ban penyeso ya ke nong ba jong kari India bat ke shlong ling ba ke ling sun kat kum ke jingong ke jong mentri kan ling sun kan herbet na shlong che Delhi kan trekam arsin chitayo bat ke ling sun ka baar ka banher che Delhi kan long ha ka sautri ukalal kot arjar arway ulapan pauru ya ke jingkermen ba ka flyback kan sala ba kan penher ya ka ling sun man la ka sngi ha ka ba ulapan tepru pana ka menta ban punur long ya ka ni ka sorkar kala dep ba kan khot ya ka tenda nadu urumpang mentau snem Nagaliang Chief Executive Officer ka flyback u Captain Srinivas Rao la yatho bala pengkre ba ki lingsun ki beher na Shillong che Delhi ki long ki bangyam na kamta hinyaw pusan ngot kinong late nong wat
And now we witness the inaugural flight coming from Delhi to Shillong. It was a long aspiration for people of the state, and especially from our area here. The local people who have donated the land, have gifted the land to the government, and been part of the entire process for the past 5-6 years. They have longed that this airport will be fully functional and see that it becomes a very important location for the entire state. Today, as we witness the second flight, last year, 2019, we witnessed the Shillong-Kolkata flight of Indigo, and this time with flyback. This is actually this first opportunity. Once it got flying license, I think we have landed in Shillong. It is a very important occasion for all of us. On behalf of the people of the world, on behalf of all the friends who have been part and parcel of this entire exercise, the efforts that have been taken, especially to the Honourable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad Sangma, for his effort and for his leadership, that we'll be able to witness this day, and all the cumulative efforts have been taken over the years to bring in this flight today. Connectivity with the rest of the Northeast, connectivity especially with Delhi, is very, very important for all of us as a state. And as we witness today, we expect that the frequency of the flights will increase, and the flights will keep on seeing more and more people coming, and the dependency of the state on this particular flight will become more relevant. I wish flyback all success, and all the team that have been part and parcel of this entire exercise, this entire effort. I wish them the very best, and we hope that the flights will be regular from this day onwards, and hope that the frequency will also increase, so that people will keep on using the flight from here to Delhi and Delhi to Shillong. May God bless each and every one, and may God bless this entire effort and our beloved state. Thank you.
Today is the first day that our beloved state is connected by air with the national capital Delhi. We declare it with a big hand to our world. Yes, what CS point is very right. As per the schedule of this time, maybe today is the launching program, which is a very long awaited issue for so many years. And as per agreement with the flyback is the flight should come twice a week. It should start from 4th January. But I think the time will come, we have to start daily, I think. Minimum. What is it's a very, very important. I cannot give thanks to all officers and even the MDA partners under the leadership of our Chief Minister, It's because of our Chief Minister who pushed me every now and then with my officer and Chief Secretary. We are students. Actually, all must be aware that the tender for the Delhi Shillong flight has been called in the month of February. We have not made a mistake. And due to this pandemic, and for the last 6-7 months we are delayed. But finally today that we are able to launch all this, which has been awaited for a long pending issue for the people of our state. And also the officer of the Transport Department and the Meghalaya Transport Corporation have worked very hard to ensure that this strike must be happened, and today we did it. So from my side as a minister, without you, it's not possible for me to work. And maybe without me, it's difficult. Therefore, teamwork is necessary in everything, in every part we do in this world. Maybe today is the flight belongs to is a 17-seater Q400 engine, which is a very, very good and smooth engine. Today, I had a talk with the CEO, Mr. Rao. What flight is this? Small flight, but engine is very cute and very smooth. It's very during flight, it feels just like a big flight. So he said that even I informed the director of the Institute of Minoma, no sir, Q400 engine is one of the best engines. So thank you so much for this facilities. But the only thing I would like to inform that the flight being returned today is Q400, which is as per the contract agreement. But Flybe was supposed to arrange its own Q400 aircraft, but I understand that due to COVID-19 pandemic has delayed the process. And since it is important to start the flight service to Delhi during this season, and therefore the government will upon Flybe to make alternative arrangement in such time on its own aircraft is ready. That is why the country as watching this first journey. And this is one of the reasons that we keep pushing, so maybe it takes some time. But we as a state government, we got journey to start regular from the 4th January. And from my side as a minister, I would like to thank all the government officials once again before I look here. It's because of them that we are here today with these beautiful missions. And I wish you a very, very happy Christmas and New Year in advance. Hopefully, with this 16th day, I think I'll request the company to be regular in their duties so that at least people will be happy. From 4th January, we will be regular twice a week. And hopefully, I think when all the situations become normal, I think we may sit at the government level. We may, if the market is normalizing, obviously we'll push them to go on a daily basis. With this people, thank you so much. Especially again, I want to thank all the airport authority for all this beautiful arrangement. And also, even if our chief minister is not here, I think all of us are aware because of the COVID thing. So we'll pray for him so that he will recover soon in the days to come. Thank you so much.
Flight simulators is the only private enterprise that does simulator training in India, where all the airlines go to in Delhi and Hyderabad. From that background, I think we believe that we can work locally wherever we operate to, from a development platform of the regions we operate in, and provide skill development as well. That's supporting, and I think we are just not an airline that connects places, but also we are in the game of development and skill development in particular. So with that, I'd like to thank all of you who are here today, and each one of you have worked tirelessly to make this happen. And I'd also like to thank our partners, travel and trade partners who stand with us. We gave them 2 days notice to start working on it. And I think we will get there, and as we open up to the regular flight schedules, as the January unfolds, and I think you'll see us here on a regular schedule, and we believe in increasing it to 7 days a week should the opportunity present itself.
I'm really delighted. I'm happy that now our capital has got connected with national capital. It will immensely boost tourism. It will have the connectivity, and it will also facilitate movement of trade and other activities, and it is a big boost. The Honorable CM has taken initiative, and now dream has come true for us, and that way I'm really happy for me and for everybody.
How was the process of booking the flight tickets? Was it a hassle?
No, there was no hassle, and whatever initial hiccups are there, that will be taken care of.
After so long, I'm here and I want to continue it, and so happy with this first journey.
So how often do you travel back and forth?
Not continuously, but yearly 2 to 3 times I have to come here. And Guwahati was that time my station, but I want to continue this Meghalaya. So thank you.
So how was your experience? Is the journey being
Journey was very good, peaceful, and all service provider were professional one, and they provided good service to us.
and what is the difference a flight from Guwahati to Delhi and a flight from Mumbai to Delhi?
Not much, but it's very peaceful and it's a small, private aircraft type, and providing good service, food also and other services.
So, do you think this will ease your travel?
Yeah, it will be easy for me to continue with this airjet, and in future I will be happy to come with this.
So how often do you travel?
I travel very often. Maybe you can say since the lockdown it's different, but I used to travel every 1.5-2 months, and mostly to Delhi because it's my hometown. So I used to go to Delhi very often.
Is the cost much more from here, or is it there's not much of a difference?
Pardon?
Is there flight charges much more from here, or is it the same from Guwahati?
No, they are lesser in fact. I just saw the ticket from Guwahati. It was 6,800 I think, and it's like very less from here, much lesser. But I think in all ways I can't express the gratitude to whoever started the flight. Really happy.
How do you think it will benefit the tourism in the state?
Tourism too, I think because of the flight, I don't think it will matter, because there are so many problems now coming in Meghalaya. I think that is a different issue. Had it been a normal situation in Shillong, I think the tourism would have been 100% better coming to Badapani.
So my name is Hansa Nora. So I just had a flight from Delhi. The experience was actually really good. I mean, it's for the first time in Shillong, right? Flight. So the experience, I would say, was pleasant. The service, everything was actually really good. They served us proper meal, the flight attendants. We treated really well. So I think the overall service and the overall flight, I would say, was really awesome.
Okay. Yeah. How much time consuming was it? Did it cut short your time? Earlier, how much time did it take if you fly often, from Delhi to Shillong?
Actually, I used to fly from Delhi to Guwahati. So this is my first time directly to Shillong. Comparatively, yeah. So it took about say around 2.5 hours. So I think that's fine. I mean, that's proper. So the time and everything was perfect. Yeah.
And what about, do you think this will really boom the tourism in the state of Meghalaya with this coming up?
Yeah, I think so, because a lot of times what we faced before was because a lot of tourists, they would come to Guwahati first and then come to Shillong, right? And that was the transportation problem. And I think from now on, if with the opening of this airport and first flight, I think the tourism is also going to boost. But I think we have to be a bit more protective of the whole with the COVID pandemic. Everyone has to be really aware and precautions have to be taken. But yes, I guess the tourism